What's up, everybody? Welcome to No Option Range. Well, today we're not on the range, we're in the No Option Range gun room, aka closet. We'll see what comes in the box when you pick up a Silver Eagle EVO-BT 12 gauge bullpup shotgun. Alright, so it comes in this nice little hard case. Pretty decent case. Pop it open, see what's inside. Alright, you ready? Comes with two magazines, a 2-round magazine and a 5-round magazine. And then it comes with the sights. Comes with some chokes. I can get it open. So we got 5 of them in there. Little tool. The flash handle comes off. Replace it. It is a 12 gauge. Charging handle back here, and you flip it over. There's a charging handle here, but you could take it out and put it on the other side if you want to. It's got a magazine release down here, the safety lever here. Not a super fan of it. To me, it seems a little weak. I wouldn't recommend shooting this as a lefty. I mean, that's right in the face. You're gonna get hit right in the face. Got your magazine release here. Look at this. That's pretty mean looking right there. Take the flash hander off. Screw it out. Pull it out. Comes with a little tool. Take this little nut off right here. And slide him on. There you go. Changes the look up, and you can install your chokes in here. Looks really good with that on. I like it. Very nice shotgun, very cool. Very excited to get out and shoot this bad boy and see what she does.